What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing a little bit of cruising and getting some food in the LC, but as you can see right now the car is very dirty. So what we're going to be doing is a rinseless wash. I use Optimum No Rinse. I love that stuff, so we're going to do that out here in the back of the parking lot. Yeah, so come along for the journey. This is always what I kind of wanted the channel to be about: road trips, car stuff, and especially food, because that is what I love. So yeah, let's get into this car wash and then we're gonna head right on the road. All right, so what we're gonna be doing is meeting up with the Orange GSF to try this Katsu place that everybody on Reddit kind of just says that you should definitely go to because it's pretty authentic. And if you're wondering what I'm doing right now, it's pretty much a pre-soak. We let this sit on the paint for about a minute and then we start the wipe down procedure with the Optimum No Rinse. So yeah, I do this pretty often, even when I'm at home, outside, doesn't matter. I have paint protection film all over the car as well, so I'm not really too concerned about scratching it, but the pre-soak should help with scratching the car, just in case you guys ever wanted to do this same kind of washing on your car instead of taking it to a car wash. All right, now that this has been sitting on here for a little minute, we can start the wipe down. But yeah, like I was saying, this channel pretty much is going to turn into all road trips, events with this car, and food especially. A lot of that stuff we've been slacking on because, you know, you kind of just want to put all the action in the videos with the car shows and stuff like that. But yeah, we're going to start adding more of that into the year for 2025, and I'm going to try to start posting more as well. All right, there we go, finished product. The car is looking nice and clean now. Let's head on the road. All right, so we are finally on the road, 16 minutes out. So we're gonna be taking the Japanese cars to have Japanese food. This place is supposed to be super authentic, so we'll see. But till we get there, let's enjoy this lovely drive. Oh, I see it opening over there. I swear, like a bunch of you guys have said in the comments, the sound that this car makes, man, it just never gets old. It's throaty, it's a little high pitch, it's like it's so awesome, man. You really do not need to have the fastest car out there. Buy the car that you love, that makes you feel that little bit of emotion when you're driving it, because that is a car that you're going to want to keep for a long time. Get a downshift, man. Oh, nice, that's 2000 here. downshift from 5th to 4th at like 4,500 RPM. Money. Oh, so great. See if I can hit a double downshift right here. Little rev limiter. It's awesome, man. Oh, I love this car. Man, that 4Runner squeezing in between the cars. Love it, man. I love it. I love it. Oh, man. Lexus built a great engine, man. Alright, so we are almost to the restaurant. I will touch back with you guys when we get there.